Hi, my name's Anna Disney, and I'm one of the people that works in the Splash team in Somerset. So this video is really just to introduce the Splash service to you, and what would happen if your child and family came to see us. So as I said, I'm Anna. I'm one of the psychologists that works in the Splash team, and I work alongside Isabel, who's our lead dietitian for the Splash team, along with a couple of medical doctors, depending on what hospital you're seen at, some assistant psychologists, and then some other team members out in the community. So Splash is a fairly new service for Somerset, and it's a service for children and their families where the child is under the age of 4 and where there's some difficulties about living with obesity, and alongside that maybe some difficulties around nutrition and food, and where there's been some concerns raised by yourself, by the parents. So we're a service that is around to help the whole family, and we're a very personalised service. So we offer different pathways depending on what each family requires and wants from us. But what would happen first at the beginning is that you'd be offered a home visit. So this home visit is by one of our dietitians, probably by Isabel, who would be able to come and see you in your home where you're most comfortable. But also, if that's not the right thing for you, could do that virtually for you as well on a virtual video call. And that first appointment is really to get to know you and your family, to get to know a little bit about your child, and to really hear what's been going on for you all, what your concerns are, and also what support you'd like from us so that we can start to develop a plan. Isabel will also be able to speak with you about what our service looks like and answer any of your questions or concerns you have at that appointment. Following that, you'll be offered an appointment with a medical doctor along with Isabel and perhaps a member of the psychology team if they're available. So that appointment is more focused on the medical aspects for your child, doing a medical examination, talking you through some of the possible blood tests that we offer in the future. The blood tests aren't done at that appointment. They can be done at a later time when we can plan that with your child and with a play specialist as well. And so after that MDT appointment, we offer every family a psychology appointment. That psychology appointment is generally for parents only, and it can be offered either by video or in one of our bases at Yeovil or Taunton, and we can talk through with you what is most suitable and easily accessible for you. And that psychology appointment is to really just hear from your perspective what concerns you have. Are you having any struggles with your child at that moment? How are things going around parenting, around food? And to really see if there's anything we can offer that you would like help with. And again, to answer any questions that you have about Splash or about psychology. After that appointment, as psychologists, we don't see all families, we just see the families that would like our help and support and where there's a goal that we feel like we can be helpful with. And then after those appointments, a plan is generally put into action, developed with you to really work towards the goals that you've set that you think are helpful, or to kind of help with any skills or anything that you feel like you'd like some specialist support with. So that might look like some additional psychology appointments, or it might look like monthly dietetic appointments. We might connect you into some community resources around activity through play with your child, some cookery, really whatever your family needs, we're going to try and support and see how we can offer access to that. We offer kind of reviews every 6 months to see if we're being helpful, to get your feedback and to see how things are. And when you're ready, to be discharged, then you can be discharged from our service, and we'll be there to support you in the future if you need it though. So that is generally what Splash is about. We're a service to support your child and your family around how to live well and live healthy lives for your children, and also to help you build up specialist skills for children that might have certain specific difficulties with their weight or with their relationship with food. And you can access our service through a professional referring you. So that might be a consultant doctor, a GP, a health visitor, an assistant practitioner. They can all refer you to Splash. You can also now self-refer using our website, and you can just fill in the form and we'll give you a ring and we can get going that way. So whichever of those is easier for you, we're absolutely happy with. And we all really look forward to being able to work with you and with your family in Splash.